In this video, we see how to evaluate cut and fill volumes in Stonex Reconstructor. Go in Mining and click on Volume and Cut and Fill Volume. In the recipe window you have the list of all the elements you need. The first two elements are two meshes. The two meshes are the surfaces that you want to compare. In this example we are going to see a stockpile to which material has been removed and added over time. So we will compare a surface at time 1 and one at time 2. In the project window we already have the two meshes. This is at time 2. And this at time 1. Drag and drop the surfaces in the recipe window. You can also set a bounding polyline and a reference plane, but they are optional. Click on OK. Click on Generate PDF Report. Let's go to have a look to the result.